Meanwhile, the governor of Anambra State, Chukwuma Soludo, has reiterated his commitment to clamping down on those promoting get-rich-quick charms, renewing his stance on the ban of native doctors, speaking while addressing a group of All Progressives Congress members on Wednesday. The governor narrated how 23 indigents of the state are now on death row in Indonesia due to drug-related offenses. He claimed that the arrests was connected to native doctors' deceptive practices. Dr. Abati, you weren't here when we discussed this native doctor ban in Anambra State, and that's why I brought it back, really. I mean, you can hear Charles Chukwuma Soludo here saying that 23 people in Indonesia are, on death row, and saying that, these people will bring charms, and then when they bring these charms, they tell these drug peddlers that, you can go through the security without being noticed. What are your thoughts on the ban on really quickly?
Now, Governor Soludo, the basic point that he's making is about moral rearmament in this society. What he's saying is about this get-rich quick mentality among young people, this instant gratification episode that we have that is a problem to the development process in Nigeria. And he is saying that hard work pays. Voodooism does not pay. And he's saying that these native doctors are the ones who are promoting this idea. They call it okuite. I think it's okuite, money ritual.
Yes.
And that a lot of people in his environment, in Anambra State, maybe in the southeast, are going for okuite. They want to get rich quick. And he says, look, the kind of government that he wants to run is a government that emphasizes hard work and talent.
Yes.
And I think that is a very important message.
Yes.
And it's also important that each time he makes this point, he says it's not against traditional religion.
Okay. Yes.
It's not about traditional.
Yes.
The Constitution allows the freedom of religion, freedom of belief.